If you have knee valgus or knock knees when you're trying to do your squats, in today's video, I'm going to help you correct this problem. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Denise here. What's going on? Thanks for viewing and thanks for showing up on another video of Life Cycle 360. In today's video, as I spoke on before, we're going to talk about how we could correct the knees caving in when you're doing your squats. Now, the thing is, a lot of people may not be aware of this, and it also may be the cause of your pain you may be experiencing, maybe from your knees after a good leg day session. It's also going to be affecting you on your daily activities just by reaching or bending down that you may not be aware of and you're lifting up something heavy. It could also be the knees caving in and causing that. Now, this is just meant for educational purposes. It's not one-off of how you can fix your knee valgus. Sometimes it's a lot more to it than that. So I would suggest you go on to your medical professional, your physiotherapist, those persons who may be able to help you if it's a lot more than what I'm going to show you today. Alright, so with that said, let's get on the topic of correcting those knee valgus. So guys, when you're talking about knee valgus, it really is a lower limb problem. It's not just the knee. I always look at the knee as being the middle child of the ankle and the hip area. So if that middle child is giving you little problems or acting up as what you'll notice in a knee valgus, then definitely the problem is going to be either lower down or higher up. In this case, what I'm going to focus on today is going to be the lower down position, and that position stems with being having a lack of, should I say, a tripod foot, or having flat feet, or being not aware of how your foot should be placed when you are load bearing, especially in the eccentric way of a squat. It's something that I think most people are not aware of, and if you're a good coach, you should be coaching your clients or your athletes to have this tripod foot. I'm definitely going to be leaving a link for you to check out that video that I did explaining what the tripod foot is and why it's so important to engage that tripod foot, especially when we have weight bearing and moving the knee into a flexed and extensive position. When we're talking about the foot being the problem, there is the problem of having no arch in the foot, and that's why the tripod foot is recommended to make sure and engage. That's going to eliminate the caving in of the arch. Now, if you are flat-footed, it's something that you definitely not going to be aware of. Like myself, I have to actually practice this over and over to make sure and get it right. It's just about becoming more aware of your foot position, especially when you're doing these movements. What you want to make sure and do is also, when you engage the tripod foot, you want to make sure and actively push the knees outward to the point of making sure that you are not feeling that caving in. A good way that you can do that and engage your motor control skills is by adding a band to the ankle, and what you want to do is do single leg movements so that you're going to concentrate on working on each leg at a time, because one leg may be more dominant than the other. So you don't want to have the leg that is weaker always kind of lagging behind. You want to be able to work on the both together. So with that said, guys, this is one way you can work on fixing your knee valgus, and I hope it's something that you will remember to put into your workout routines and engage in that tripod foot. If this helps, let me know in the comments below if it's something that it could be helpful to you. And to all the new subscribers and all the persons looking on, please don't forget to hit that notification button. Let me know if this is good for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Please share the video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for viewing, and I hope it went well. Take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.